Hi guys, this is review for SEMPIO Soy Sauce for sushi, and this is a premium naturally brewed. If you look at this beautiful package, you can see here is the product detail. This shows on the tag is actually produced in Korea. And also you can see the detailed nutrition list. Pay attention, this sodium level I feel is a little bit high, is 30%. Also give you the expiration day. And the reason I purchased this one because we have homemade sushis. I want to match the perfect soy sauce. Let's weight it. It's 258 gram, good size. Let's open it from the top. And I don't want to tear off all the plastic cover, so I just teared off from the side and open it up. Here's the plastic. Honest with you, I taste it's a little bit salty than the regular cooking soy sauce. So please keep in mind, this is only for the sushis because you need something a little bit salty, not for cooking. Overall, this is very good quality, naturally brewed. I like it.